Hi everyone! Welcome to Sewing with Carolina. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Today we'll draft a basic skirt block pattern. Once you have this block, you can use it to create many skirt styles, including a basic flared skirt like this. First, get your pattern paper ready and lay it flat on your working table. On your pattern paper, let's add a 1-inch allowance to the top and side. Feel free to use your own measurements. I'll be using mine for this tutorial. Here, let's mark this point with the number 1. From point 1, measure half of your hip measurement plus 5/8 of an inch. Measure the same distance at the bottom. Square down from that point. This line will be your center front line. From point 1, measure down 26 inches for the skirt length. From that point, square across to meet the center front line. Let's mark this as points 2, 3, and 4. From point 1, measure down 10 inches for the hip height. Repeat on the other side. Then draw a straight line across to the center front line. This will be points 5 and 6. From point 5, measure 1/4 of your hip measurement plus 5/8 of an inch ease. Apply the same measurement on the hemline. Connect both points to form a line and label them as points 7 and 8. From point 1, measure 1/4 of your waist measurement plus 1 11/16 inches. Mark this point as number 9. From point 9, measure half an inch above and mark it as point 10. Connect point 10 to point 1. Then, connect point 10 to point 7 using dotted lines. The line between points 1 and 10 is 8 1/2 inches, divided into 3 equal parts, which comes out to about 2.83 inches each, and mark these points as 11 and 12. Draw dotted lines straight down from points 11, measure down 5 and 9/16 inches, then mark it as point 13. At point 11, draw a dart measuring 13/16 of an inch wide. From point 12, draw a dotted line downward and measure 4 and 15/16 inches. Mark this as point 14. Then, draw another dot measuring 13/16 of an inch wide. Draw a slight curve for the waistline. Then, for the side seams, curve them outward by 1/4 inch to shape the skirt. Mark this pattern piece as the back. Starting from point 2, measure 1/4 of your waist measurement. Then add 15/16 of an inch. Mark this as point 15. From point 15, measure 1/2 an inch upward and mark it as point 16. Connect point 2 to point 16. Then connect point 16 to point 7 using dotted lines. Measure the distance from point 2 to point 16 and divide it into 3 equal parts. From the 1/3 point, draw a dotted line straight down. At this line, construct a dart 13/16 of an inch wide. Then, measure down 3 and 15/16 inches and mark it as point 18. The starting point is point 17. Draw a slight curve for the waistline. Let's erase this previous line. Then curve the side seams outward by 1/4 of an inch to shape the skirt. Mark this pattern piece as the front. Take a moment to double check your measurements before cutting the pattern. This will help ensure a perfect fit. Once you've checked everything, go ahead and carefully cut the pattern. So that's it. Here's our basic skirt block pattern. Stay tuned for my next video. I'll show you how to turn this into a basic flared skirt using toile fabric. Happy sewing everyone, and God bless.